Hi, I'm Charles Van Kessler, the founder, creator, and formulator of Passion for Life liquid vitamins and minerals. Thank you so much for visiting our website. It is important to me that you understand the story behind why Passion for Life liquid vitamins and minerals was created. And here it is. I created it for me. I was born in Amsterdam, Holland in 1941. World War II was raging on. One horrendous day, I watched my father's side of the family be snatched away by the Nazis in front of my own eyes at age 2. My mother couldn't care for me, so she placed me in a state-run orphanage where I endured 8 years of abuse of every kind, surviving on eating flower bulbs and sugar beets. I ran away from the orphanage at age 10 because I could no longer take this kind of abuse. When I came to the United States in 1964 as a young man, my mind and my body were a disaster. After spending a great deal of money each month on hands full of vitamin pills, I realized that I didn't feel much better. So I began a lifelong study of nutrition and vitamins, only to learn that hard vitamin pills do not properly absorb. I vowed to one day make a product that would be the best tasting, most powerful, and most effective liquid product on the market that would dramatically improve my own health. And if it worked for me, I would market it to the whole world and leave a legacy of good health and turn my horrific start in life into a positive one to inspire others. In addition, I formed my own 501c3 charity, Passion for Kids, a non-profit charity dealing with kids in desperate situations, partially funded by Passion for Life, combining the two things that I personally lacked in life. We are a family-owned company. We use the highest quality ingredients possible. We manufacture Passion for Life in a US FDA-approved CGMP facility, which stands for Certified Good Manufacturing Process. We are here to serve you. Your good health is our passion. Remember to take care of your health, because if you don't, it might just simply go away. So click the button below now to improve your health and restore your passion for life.